Hello guys, welcome and welcome back to Rukias kitchen. Today I'll be showing you how to make matoke in peanut sauce. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please kindly do so you don't get to miss any of my videos each and every week. Then stay tuned to enjoy my recipe. On today's ingredients, I'm going to use half a kg of lamb meat, or you can use any other meat that you like. 1 teaspoon of curry powder, some salt to taste. I'm going to use peanut butter, or you can use crushed peanuts. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. 7 matoke, or you can use more. 4 medium large tomatoes. 1 large onion. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. A half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 cube of jumbo, or you can use Maggi, and lastly 1 tablespoon of Royco powder. In a pot which has the meats, you're going to add a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and 2 cups of water. Then cover the meats and let it to boil till soft. After about 20 to 30 minutes, our meat is already soft. Remove your meat from the fire and place it aside. The next step, I'm going to cut my matoke. You can apply some oil in the palm of your hands, or you can use some gloves to cut your matokes. When you're done cutting your matoke, place them directly in the water. And I'm done peeling my matoke, tomatoes and onions, and it's high time to cook our matoke. In a large pot, pour about 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil and let the oil to heat up. Then add onions and cook the onions till golden brown. Once the onions start turning color, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and some tomatoes and give a quick mix. Then sprinkle some salt to taste and stir a bit, then cover to let the tomatoes to cook till soft. Once the tomatoes are soft, you're going to add 1 tablespoon of Royco powder, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, and mix everything well. Then afterwards, I'm going to add 1 soup cube. I'm going to use jumbo, or you can use Maggi to add an extra amazing taste to your matoke. And followed by 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, and mix everything well and nice. Once everything is well combined and the tomatoes are soft, you're going to add the matoke and the boiled lamb meats and mix everything well, then cover to let the matoke to cook on a low-medium heat till soft. Make sure the heat is on low-medium heat to avoid the matoke from sticking at the bottom, and let them cook till soft. Meanwhile, we're going to make our peanut sauce. In a small pot, you're going to add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil and add some sliced onions and cook the onions till soft. Once the onions are soft, add the remaining tomatoes and sprinkle a bit of salt and stir and let the tomatoes to cook till soft. Once the tomatoes are soft like this, add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and give a quick mix. Stir constantly and let the stew to cook till thick for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. After about 3 minutes, you're going to add 4 tablespoons of peanut butter, or you can use crushed peanuts, and mix everything well and fast. Lastly, pour some water. You're going to pour a bit by a bit till you get enough sauce. I've added approximately 2 cups of water. Then you're going to stir constantly till the sauce becomes more thick. After 3 minutes, your peanut sauce should be like this, and your peanut sauce is ready, and remove it from the fire. Meanwhile, we're going to check if our matoke are soft. And if yes, you're going to pour the peanut sauce in the matoke and mix it well and slowly. And let the matoke to cook for at least 3 to 5 minutes. Let your matoke to cook on a medium heat till the peanut and the matoke are well combined and thick. After about 3 to 5 minutes, our matoke is ready and serve on a plate. And our peanut matoke is ready, as you can see in the video. Look how tasty this food looks, and enjoy with some chili. And my peanut matoke is ready, as you can see in the video. This is so tasty. Serve along with some chili or anything that you like and enjoy your peanut matoke. Thank you for watching my video and hope you loved it. And if you want to see other recipes, I'll put the links in the description box. And if you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can follow me on my social media, Facebook and Instagram, Rukias Kitchen, for further questions. And thank you once again. Bye bye.